So Solomon, it's Joe. I just want to go over a few things with you. This is a badass picture though, Reunion Tower. I've never been in there, although I've been trying to take my wife on a date there for a long time. Anyways, I'm just going to show you something I call MCNs. Now, there's a saying, like when my aunt had cancer, she shaved her head, so I shaved my head and got a tattoo from a book. It's a quote from a book I was reading called Ye Are Gods. And it goes, a man is only as great as his power to humble himself. Okay? Like, I know you guys do marketing and stuff like that, and like everyone's always the best at what they do, right? Everyone. But even I'll learn a couple things here and there, you know what I'm saying? But the process for me has been the same. After like 10 years of doing this, I figured out like the last 5, I'm like, yo, this is what's working. And this is the primary focus for organic traffic. Although there are a lot more details that go into each individual block that you're about to see, these are the core key elements that we use. Now, you found me through Foundation Marketing Pros, but what you don't know is this. I actually am a founder of UpShot Solutions, the top lead generating agency in Funkytown, right, and in DFW. So, with that said, I'm going to show you this. MCNs, more calls, more sales. Now, this has nothing to do with ads. This is 100% organic, okay? Obviously, you know the importance of GMBs, especially if you know Chad Campbell, right? Bald guy with the big beard, glasses. Anyways, that guy, he's putting up like 10,000 GMBs every month, right? Last time I spoke to him, which was a long time ago, like 2016, he was doing like 10,000. This is why, he can get away with that, because those that fall. If it sticks, it sticks, right? But me, this is an asset for me, and I'm trying to make sure this never goes away, or doing all I can, which is why I was saying, you got to have a foundation, right? And that this is the foundation. So once you have your GMB optimized, you have that free website published, you're utilizing every portion of information they ask you to fill out. You're doing all of it, right? Cool. After this, you have your website, and it's called content. Now, obviously, content is the words on your website, but it can also be videos, like this video right here, especially YouTube videos. Awesome. Anything you have in content can be duplicated in video form. Speaking, right? That's another way to duplicate your content. Alright? Anything like here, like, you can repeat that in video form, and that's totally unique. That's what's cool. Also, you want to have authoritative content. So we'll go to slab repair. There's about 530 words on this page. That's your average. I would suggest, adding some more. It's just going to make you more authoritative. And here's an example. So if I type in like beer, because I'm by the Miller factory, right? Who pops up first? Wikipedia. Who pops up first down here? Beer. Wikipedia. Wikipedia. The Wikipedia always has the most authoritative and relevant content on any subject matter, right? Okay. That's why. So if you want to become the Wikipedia of slab lifting and leveling corrections, you have to become the Wikipedia of that, along with all these other services that you offer. Citations. So let's see something real quick. Citation is like whenever you have, your Facebook page, and you sign up with Facebook. Organic search SEO. So you're using the same number on your, you really don't want to do that. You want to get this own unique phone number for this, right? So these are all the citations that your organic search media has. From Yelp, you obviously know this shit because you do it, right? There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of places to get these, and building those is definitely going to help, right? Now you got something called backlinks, which you obviously know what backlinks are. And the best backlinks to get, copycat first. And I say copycat, I mean competitors around the country, around the state, and in your backyard. So for this, your strongest link, okay, well, I can show you your strongest link right here. This is your strongest backlink for your foundation site. This is your strongest link for your agency right here. Okay. And when you're backlinking, you do want to use keywords or anchor text. You want to mix it up. You don't just want to, keep smashing, foundation repair Dallas, foundation repair Fort Worth foundation. You want to switch it up a little bit. I'm not going to get into all that. But, yeah, so backlinks are pretty much the fuel that, like I was telling you yesterday, like you said, the PBN, or is that what's called? PBNs? Or PBNs, or Web 2.0s, I think, is what we're talking about. Web 2.0s, right? Those do help, right? I use them for direction requests, but your G&B has a URL. Your individual website pages have their individual URLs. Your citations have a URL. You know what I mean? Your Facebook page has a URL. Your Yelp page has a URL. Everything gets backlinks to it, right? Not all backlinks are created equal. So some of your competitors, especially you, you guys have you got 5 backlinks on this page, on this site, right? 23 backlinks on this site. I could get one that's stronger than, I can get 5 with 45 trust flow, 50 citation flow. You know what I mean? And it would be relevant. So let's say for DFW Foundation, I can get a handful of these powerful site backlinks that are relevant to foundations or waterproofing or concrete or whatever, construction. And it'll blow this out of the water. So I'll do the same thing for your competitors. I'll snatch all their top backlinks that I like and then go get better ones. You know what I'm saying? And push it towards everything with a URL. And that is how you generate organic traffic, amigo. Okay? So, that said, au revoir. Again, yeah,